How to use circle to search on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra One UI 6.1. Open the app drawer, tap on a camera app or a gallery. You want to use circle to search. Now tap on a photo. Now long press the home button. Now you can see circle or tap anywhere to search. Here we circle this. Now you can see related searches for image. You circle. So it's quite helpful feature to quickly find the related searches from images on your device. You can also use other photo, select any photo, long press the home button, circle or tap it. Now you can find the related search. So it's quite helpful feature to quickly search the images or related images on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra and other One UI 6.1 supported. That's it. Please like it, share it.